In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove CMS from Framer if you're cleaning up a project, consolidating content, or moving away from dynamic data. Removing an entire collection from the Framer CMS is quick and straightforward. I'll guide you through it step by step, with a few reminders to keep your project safe and tidy. Before we begin, remember that deleting a collection removes all of its items and fields. If any layers, components, or data bindings on your pages are connected to that collection, they'll lose their data source. That can show up as empty states or placeholders in your design, which is expected. To avoid surprises, make sure you're targeting the right collection. If you want a safety net, consider duplicating your project or saving a copy of the content elsewhere before you proceed. Start by opening your project in Framer and focusing on the left sidebar. Look for the CMS icon, typically a small database style symbol labeled CMS, and click it to open the CMS panel. Here, you'll see a list of your collections, such as blog posts, team members, case studies, or any custom types you've created. A collection is the structure that holds multiple items of the same type, so deleting it removes the entire group, not just a single entry. Take a moment to open the collection you think you no longer need and scan its items and fields, just to confirm you've got the right one. When you're confident, hover your cursor over the collection's name in the list to reveal additional controls. A three-dot menu will appear on the right side of that collection row. Click those three dots to open the actions menu for that specific collection. This is where you'll find management options tailored to that collection, including the one we want. Select Delete from the menu. Framer may show a confirmation prompt explaining what's about to happen. Read it carefully so you understand that the collection and all of its items will be permanently removed. When you're ready, confirm the deletion. Once it's done, any elements in your project that were bound to fields from that collection will reflect the change by showing their empty or default states until you update your design or connect them to a different source. And that's it. By opening the CMS panel, using the collection's three-dot menu, and choosing Delete, you can remove unwanted collections and keep your project lean and maintainable. If you ever delete something by mistake, check your project's version history for recovery options. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your content with confidence in Framer.